Hi guys, hello. So today we'll be doing a beginner friendly makeup routine. So I always start with a damp face and I apply moisturizer generously all over my face. You have to make sure your skin is really moisturized before you go in with makeup. And then I go in with the primer from Swiss Beauty along with a Wet n Wild photo focus foundation. Mix them up together and use this tiny little brush to apply it all over my face, and I blend it using the beauty blender. Now you already know what products I will be using in this video because I spoke about them in my beginners makeup kit video. And yeah, I also want to say that we almost always forget our ears and neck, so don't forget that. Next, going in with this concealer, and I make sure to apply it in the inner and the outer corner, around my nose, near my mustache, and below my chin. So basically areas where there is usually some kind of pigmentation, and then I again go in and blend it with the sponge. I also take whatever is left on my sponge and put it on my lid. Next, going in with a powder underneath my eye, and I'm basically set everywhere where I've applied the concealer. Now onto brows. So I make sure I use the spoolie first and brush my brow hair, and then I just draw tiny little lines and fill in any sparse gaps. My brows are usually pretty thick anyway. And then I go in with the spoolie and brush everything out, and you can look at the difference it makes. Now going in with a Wet n Wild blush, and I take it on my sponge and I'll do my fake smile and apply the blush, and yeah. Repeating the same steps on the other side. Now going in with a highlighter on my finger, and I'll apply it on the highest points of my face and blend it in with the help of my fingers. In with this single eyeshadow from Wet n Wild. I really love this. This is like a really great one and done eyeshadow, and it looks very good. With mascara, I make really silly faces while applying my mascara, so I had to cut that portion out. Then I'll apply a nude lipstick. This one is from Maybelline, and we are done. I absolutely love how this look turned out. Did you like it too? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, please give this video a thumbs up and also consider subscribing.